Welcome back, everyone. So today on Embark with Mark, we're going to place these cheap aftermarket floodlights with these factory stock fog lights. Let's get into it. Alright, so why would I want to switch? First thing is, fog lights are not floodlights, and floodlights are not fog lights. They have very specific purposes. Floodlight just throws lights everywhere. They're no good on the road, especially if you have oncoming traffic. You can't really use them because they will blind the crap out of everyone. Also, more importantly, the reason these can't be used is because since they throw light in every direction, up, down, sideways, every direction, they end up blinding you, even though these are down low. So the fog lights, though, they put a very narrow beam of light down, and they put it right where you need it, and you can aim them where you want it, so that when you have bad weather, you don't blind yourself in the bad weather, but also you don't blind other traffic. Alright, so what is the other reason that I'm doing this? Besides safety and being able to see on the road during a snowy night or a foggy night, what is the other reason? The other reason is these look like garbage, and I've just come to realize this. I mean, yeah, I have rigid lights and LED lights on my roof, and those are fine up there, but on the front of the Jeep, these don't look good. And I put these on when I was a bit younger, and there was that rage to put square LED headlights on everything, and I don't think they look good anymore. So we're gonna get rid of those, and we're gonna get these factory lights on there. Now, one thing about these lights that there's a problem is that if you have a winch plate like I have, which is a Warren winch plate, these lights won't fit in the factory position with the factory hooks on there. The reason they won't fit is because the hooks are switched from one side to the other, so the hook sticks out. So this hook is going to come out and smack into this light, and not only will you not be able to use the hook, the light actually won't physically mount. So what we're going to do, the bottom of these lights, they have a locator pin. Alright, sorry about that. I had to switch batteries out in the camera. Okay, so what I was saying here is that the bottom of this thing has a locator pin, and then it has your mounting bolt right there. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to we're going to drill 2 new holes in the bumper, one for the locating pin and one for the bolt. And that locating pin is just so the light doesn't spin around as easily, which is a good idea. So we'll go ahead and do that too, but first we got to get these things wired up. So let's go ahead and do that. Hopefully I have enough wire here. If I remember right, I really didn't actually take any wiring. I just cut them, which is okay. So yeah, let's get these together. Alright, both sides are in. What do you think? How do you think they look compared to the little cheap Chinese ones? What do you think? I think these look way, way cooler. Anyway, this is about perfect actually, because the sun is about to set, so it's getting dark, so now we'll be able to test them out and then do some adjustments if we need to. If you don't know, there's just a little adjustment right on the back for up and down, and for left and right. It doesn't really matter too much since they have a huge, huge wide beam. But alright, let's wait for the sun to go down to check it out. Alright guys, so here it is. That is the normal headlights, and then this is with the fog lights turned on. You can see just how far they throw the light. The pillars all the way to the left of the image are just crazy lit up versus turned off. Oh, it's starting to get cold. I had to throw my second jacket on. So that's it. we're done. We're done with the install back to factory fog lights over the floodlights, and I think they look awesome. More importantly, they function awesome. They just throw light in a more usable pattern. But anyway, guys, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like what's going on with the channel, hit subscribe down below. And as always, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. See you in the next one.